Good afternoon. Welcome again to the Mind of STEM. My name is Leon Jones. I am a civil engineer for the Indiana Department of Natural Resources. And where I am now is at a dam site. It's the Nevada Mills Dam, and I'm standing right at the top of the dam. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like from the bottom. And what I'm doing a little walking inspection. As you know, dams are very important, but they can be extremely hazardous as well when they fail. So what you're looking at is the dam from the foreground. And this dam is more of an earthen dam. Now, it doesn't start off with the building of all earth. What we have under the growth of all this vegetation is known as ACB. It's articulated concrete blocks. What happens? The area is excavated, and then the contractor just sets the concrete blocks in place. Now, in order to get it in this configuration, you must have a very good contractor. Now, as you see, I'm doing my narration. You can see the dam. It's a manhole in front. Now, where I'm taking you now is down here to the actual waterway, as you see right in front. Now at the bottom you see riprap. It's a stone structure, and you also see the concrete dam structure. The water's coming right under a bridge. If I can hone in. Now the concrete walls are more or less wing walls. Now, what I'm doing right now is walking along the dam to make sure that everything is okay. This is a dam inspection. It's a lot of walking you got to do, but it's fun. Now, what you saw is the river part. Now, I'm going to go across the street, and you are going to see the actual Jefferson Lake. Okay, we are across the street now, and this is what we call God's country. This is Jefferson Lake. See in the foreground the lily pads. Now what we have underneath, this is what we call wired stone. This is basically used for flood control. During rainstorms, water can accumulate at a high elevation, which causes a lot of flooding. Of course, we know flooding can be dangerous, but we have some big rock known as riprap that also is part of flood control. Now, where I'm going to take you now is my finger is on an item. This is called a geodesic dome. This is used for surveying. I'm going to go ahead and put the camera right down on this geodesic dome so you can see it. Now also, I'm going to show you the court established normal level elevation. And of course it's maintained by my agency, the Indiana Department of Natural Resources. I'm going to let you see that as well. You hone in on the numbers. Now, as you see, this lake is formed by the dam here. Now, I'm going to get a little closer and let you see the spillway. You have your channel buoys. Now what you got are your channel buoys. Now I'm going to show you what the dam looks like. Now I just walk along the side. Now you actually see the dam. Now, the area can be a little hazardous, but you just saw how a dam actually works. And like I said, dams are very important for the aesthetic look. Dams are also good for hydroelectric power, also good for water supply as well. Again, I'm going to give you the foreground of the lake. This is Jimerson Lake, and we're at the Nevada Mills Dam here in the state of Indiana. Now what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to go right over to sidewalk. Do a little sidewalk inspection because this is an area that has compound structures, and I'm going to do a little construction inspection. And as you know, I'm doing this field observation here, and as you see, as I do my inspection, I have a little problem with the sidewalk here. It's not supposed to be sloping. There's also a shadow of me, and I want to apologize for the fingers that are getting in the way, if they have gotten in the way. I know my previous video it happened, but what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to get a GoPro camera. Now again, for all you folks who don't understand flood control, here's an example of some flood control. Actually, we call this a wired geotechnical system, or we call it it's more or less like a retaining wall, because a retaining wall is used to hold back soil. Now, retaining walls can fail because of the pressure of the soil. Soil has lateral pressure on it. But just giving you an idea of what everything looks like. Got nice trees and everything. Now I'm going to go across the street. You just saw the lake. And now you see downstream, there's the dam downstream. There's the dam. Of course, you see the vegetation. Now this dam is basically not a real earthen dam. It's built by articulated concrete blocks. In fact, this dam goes under a bridge. That's what's unique about it. You can see the water coming through the dam, and there's a part of the dam too where you can see the water flow. And that's what you get right here on a minor stem. And I'm going to be doing more field projects so you can see what I actually do here in the field, because my job is to build, design, help maintain structures, and manage the construction of all of the structures at all of the park facilities, wildlife facilities, water facilities here in the state of Indiana, of course. Just mentioned it to you before. I am a civil engineer with the Indiana Department of Natural Resources. And if you want to see me make more field videos, please let me know. And I'm working on getting a better camera. But right now, I just want to say thank you for viewing this video. And that's this video from my new channel. Please comment, share, and subscribe. Name of this channel is The Mind of STEM. And again, I love this channel. I love what I do. And I want everybody to see what I actually do. And I want you all to appreciate the nature of parks, because it's very peaceful out here. As you can see, the lake, you can see the tree line or the wood line, and you can see the flood control. And again, thank you for viewing. My name is Leon Jones. Please have a wonderful and blessed afternoon. God bless you. Thank you for viewing the video right here on the Mind of STEM channel.